In this video, we will learn how to manage multiple WooCommerce websites from a single place. See, I have two WooCommerce websites here. After a few minutes, you'll see how I'm able to connect both websites to one primary website. I can receive orders from the second website, apply a global coupon, view order details, access advanced analytics, automate rules based on stock quantity, and much more. So let's jump into the tutorial. I was getting so many orders on both of these websites, and constantly switching back and forth to check stats was becoming really hard to manage. First, go to the primary WooCommerce website where you want to centralize your other e-commerce stores. Then install the ShopCentral plugin. Here, you will find great sales analytics on the ShopCentral homepage. To add the second website, go to the Stores menu and click on Add Store. A pop-up will open where you need to enter the store name, store URL, and then provide the consumer key and consumer secret key of that second website. They've already mentioned where to find these keys. So let's go to the second website. Go to the WooCommerce settings page. Click on Advanced. Then go to REST API. Click on Create API Key. Give it a name, set the permissions to read and write, and then create the API key. Now copy the consumer key and consumer secret one by one and paste them into the ShopCentral pop-up. Then click Connect Store. The store is now added. Just click on Switch to access that store from here. Our second website is now visible. Let's go to the dashboard. Here, the data is visible, but wait, it shows that our store has 129 total orders, while the actual website says 132 orders. There's a small gap because 3 of those orders were canceled. Anyway, you can easily get enough analytics from this central website. You can also check orders, products, discounts, and much more. Not only that, you can create global coupons, meaning you create one coupon and apply it across all of your websites, including scheduling, amount limits, and so on. If you keep browsing through this plugin, you will definitely love the features it offers. They are really unique and a must-have for most store owners. So this is how you can manage multiple WooCommerce stores from one place. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.